factorize difference of two squares. Okay, this is type 4 which we are going to study, type 4. Okay, and how to, what is the this, in this case, what is the topic? We are going to factorize difference of two factors. So factorization or factorizing difference of two factors. Okay, so this is our new topic, new type, where we are going to study how to factorize difference of two factors. Okay, so till now we have done that much part which was related to our previous session. We have already practiced so much, and now we are going to start with this session. So hello everyone, welcome to Learn PCM. We are going through a series of sessions for the chapter factorization, and since factorization is a bigger I mean, it's having a lot many types of factorization. So we are having two parts into it. One first part is going on, which is for the classes 6 to 8, or you can say 6 to 9. Okay, the students of 6 to 9 can avail these classes, and they can have benefit from these classes, because they can clear their concept regarding factorization. The beginners can come out with this part 1. Okay, and the part 2 will come out of this factorization after this part 1, and it will be completely for class 9 students. So here we are ready with type 4, which is factorization of difference of two factors. Now if two of the factors are there and they are having sorry, two, not, it is not two factors, it is two squares. Okay, here we are having squares. Let me erase it so that there will be no confusion. Okay, this is not two factors, it is square. Okay, so we will write here squares. Okay, so we are going to find the factorization of difference of two squares. If you are given with two of these squares, then how to find the factorization? Okay, say if you are having 25x square, and then difference is there, and then you are having 16 like this. Okay, so you can express this one as what? This can be expressed as 5x whole square and then 4 square. Okay, ले लोगी? अब कैसे पता चलेगा यार? So what we are having, yeah, here we have taken an example. Okay, you can see here that it is 25x square minus 16, where we can write 25x square as 5x to the power whole to the power 2 minus 4 whole square, right? You can see that there are two terms which are having which are square terms. Okay, you can see here that these two terms are square terms. Okay, so as the topic is there, that factorization of difference of two square. So how to factorize these types of expressions? Simply you have to do what? Simply you are going to find the roots of these two. So what, again you are going to find the root? It means what? 5x whole square. The root of this is what? Under root, you will do like this, 5x whole square. And again you can see that this is matching with this should match with this. If the pair is matching, it means 2 and 2 are cancelling out, you are remaining with 5x. This 5x becomes the root of 5x whole square, correct? Then 4 is there, so square 4 is square, and you have to find the square root of 4. It means 4 square, square root of 4 square. So you can see here this 2 and this 2, both 2's are cancelling out each other. As soon as they cancel out, your root breaks here, and you are remaining with 4. Okay, now if this is the root of 5x, if this is the root of 4 square, then what you are going to do after this? Simply you are going to write, you are going to connect them again. Here also you will connect them. So how to find the factors? The factors will be taken out as 5x. One time you will connect them with plus sign, and the other time you are going to connect them with minus sign. So 5x plus 4, and this is 5x minus 4. Got it? What we have done, suppose you are having x square minus y square. Then you will just find out if two of the terms given to you are perfect squares and in between them is the sign of minus. In between them the sign is subtraction. In such cases, simply find the root of this and root of this. Root of x square is what? X. Root of y square is what? Y. Why is it so? Y x square, x and y. Again, you can just find out by this one, this method. Simply you cut, you are getting x. So here it is x. Similarly, we have done for y square. If you go put y square in root, if you are getting pairs, like inside, if you are having a pair, it means square term is there. You just cut it. You are getting y. So here again you are getting y as a root for this. Okay. Now after this, what you have to do, once you have taken out the roots, what you will do, you will find factors. And how to find factors? You will find two factors. You will get two factors of this. How? You are simply going to connect these roots by one time by plus sign and another time by minus sign. So this is minus sign, this is plus sign. Understood? This is how you are going to do this type of factorization. Okay, so let us try to do some of the questions so that it will be more clear to you. Okay, so if you are given with, suppose let us take examples or some practice questions. Okay, practice questions. Okay, so first question, suppose you are having 81x to the power 81x to the power 4 minus y to the power 4. Suppose you are having this type of equation, what you expression. So what you are going to do after this, simply you you bring them into the square form. What you have to do, you are going to bring them into the square form. Okay, let us find out whether these are perfect squares or not by bringing them into square forms. Let's see whether we are able to bring them into square form or not. This is 81 and this is x to the power 4. We can write 81 as 9 square. Can we write? We can write 9 to the power 2, right? Can we bring this into the square form? Of course, yes, we can write it as x square to the power square. Can we write? Further, here also you are having minus y to the power 4 is there. We can write it in the form of a square. How? Like this. Can we write? Can we write? Yeah. Can we write? Yes. Tell me. You. Yes, we can write it like that. Okay. So now what we are going to do? We are going to change these two expressions in this form. 9x square to the power square. What we can do? We are going to check this. We are going to take this x square along with this and let us bring it into the same bracket. So it becomes 9x square to the power square and this becomes minus y square to the power square. Now let us find out the root of these two. What will be the root? As I have told you, if you have to find the root, simply you have to take off this square. What it will give you? The root of this will be 9x square and the root of this y square will be what? It is simply y square, because these twos will cancel out by the square root like this. 9x square to the power square, when you are going to put into the root form, what will happen? This is square. It means this is square. Okay. So this square cancels out with this square and that is why it removes your bracket of this root. And you are remaining with 9x square. So it gives you what? 9x square. It means this is the root. The same is done here. So simply, if you see that your number is in a perfect square form, simply you remove the square, you will get the root directly. अगर आपके पास इफ यू आर हैविंग, सपोज आपके पास 4 स्क्वायर है, अगर आपके पास इस तरह लिखा हुआ है और आपको इसका रूट निकालना है तो हम क्या करेंगे? सिंपली वी आर गोइंग टू रिमूव दिस 2. हमें इसका रूट अगर निकालना है तो इट्स ओनली 4. ये तो आपको पता है ना? क्या करते हैं हम? अगर मान लीजिए आपके पास एक्स स्क्वायर वाई स्क्वायर है, तो हम इसको क्या कर देंगे, एक्स वाई लिखकर और इसको स्क्वायर में कर देंगे। अब ये स्क्वायर आ गया और इसका रूट निकालना है, तो हम क्या करेंगे, इस पूरे का रूट अगर निकालना है तो सिंपली इट विल बी एक्स वाई। क्यों? क्योंकि ऑलरेडी ये स्क्वायर फॉर्म है, और स्क्वायर फॉर्म है तो इसका मतलब है कि हमें ज़्यादा मेहनत ही नहीं करनी है। वी सिंपली कैन डू लाइक दिस। ये अगर हम अल्टीमेटली स्क्वायर रूट निकालने जाएंगे तो ये 2 इससे कैंसिल हो जाएगा, यानी कि एक्स वाई हमारा रूट बनकर बाहर आ जाएगा, क्योंकि ये ब्रेक हो जाएगा, ये आपका खत्म हो जाएगा। ठीक है, तो ये काम ही हमने यहाँ पे किया है। 4 स्क्वायर है तो यहाँ डायरेक्टली 4 कर दिया। तो ये चीज ना करके इसमें हम अपना टाइम वेस्ट नहीं करेंगे। हम डायरेक्टली, अगर हमारे पास स्क्वायर फॉर्म में है तो हम सिंपली उसका जो बेस टर्म है उसको ही रूट मान लेते हैं। अंडरस्टूड? ठीक है, तो यहाँ पर आप इसको कैसे लिखेंगे, फिर आपके पास 2 रूट्स हो गए हैं। अब आप इसको इसका आपको अगर फैक्टर निकालना है तो ऑलरेडी वी आर हैविंग द रूट्स नाउ, वी आर सिंपली गोइंग टू कनेक्ट देम बाय प्लस साइन एंड माइनस साइन। सो हाउ टू डू? सो फैक्टर्स विल बी व्हाट? सिंपली यू विल गेट फैक्टर्स इन द फॉर्म ऑफ 9x स्क्वायर प्लस वाई स्क्वायर, और दूसरा है 9x square minus y square. So this is how you are going to find out. What we have done, we have simply taken out the roots of these square perfect squares. We have taken out the square roots. We have taken out the square root of this perfect square. Then we have simply connected them with 1 plus sign, and then the second time we have connected them with minus sign. Understood? So this is how you are going